Hello everyone, let's make beautiful. Grass hanging on the sword. A green stick, fold it in half, tighten it, fold it again, tighten it. Repeat 5 times. The length of each fold is different. Ensure that the 2 sides are short, the middle is long. Finally, the ends are connected. The shape of the leaf is roughly out. Use the board to flatten the leaf. Trim it, and the leaf is done. Put the leaf on the other long stick. Make 3 pieces. Make a lot. Decorate with grass. This is very simple. Fold it in half, tighten it, flatten it, trim it. Complete it just like the previous steps. Make 3 pieces. Use the same method to make some small grass. It will look better if you tie a red rope. It's done. It's so beautiful. You can hang it up with a small rope.